since decades. And just today I talked with her. Recently he has received a grant of 1.85 crore from Ministry of Electronics. Apart from this, actually she was the DRDO scientist.
Recipients of IEEE Best Research Paper Award in 2009, 11 and 2019, and also have been recognized for innovation through the IIM DST Smart 15 Startup Projects. With the experience as a scientist at DRDO,
Moumita Mukherjee ma'am, my very dear and respected colleagues and my dear friends, I'm thankful to the R&D cell at the IIC along with our principal madam for organizing such a workshop.
A mentor, faculty should be there and some students will do that work. In our university, what we are doing for postgraduate project, PhD project also, we are encouraging the faculty members and students to submit the grant. And every year in R&D budget, say 20-25 lakhs are allotted for small grant project. Up to each project that will cost up to 2 lakhs. That means a small laboratory or with some consumable, if that could be arranged within the university or within the institute, some small research work will be done, initiate, the idea will get initiated, or some pilot study could be done based on which the faculty members will apply for getting the bigger grant. Submit the proposal, they will evaluate the proposal through their committee based upon the idea that whether this will actually work, whether this will convert to some technology. Because 10 or 12 years back, 10-15 years back, the research was mostly focused on the in the direction of ideation. From ideation first, that was getting priority, and theoretical research was that time a very important research work 10 to 15 years back. But recently, level is that to idea and then incubation. So in early stage concept, suppose I am thinking for development of a sensor. Now that sensor will have certain application in temperature sensing. Suppose detect the tumor, then the outcome outcome will be much better. Okay, so that is why all over world people are searching for alternative of X-ray. Now X-ray is an ionizing radiation, and it is a cause of secondary cause of cancer. So that is why repeated use of X-ray is not particularly suggested by the other world. In our country, that level of knowledge of that level of restriction is not there. We are using that and doctors are writing, but it is not recommended. If you go to any senior gynecologist or any surgeon, they will never suggest to go for that, because small tissue damage and repeated damage, particularly, that converts to cancer. So cancer dhorte giye cancer hoye jabe, through which we will actually reach the target. Then measurable output. What actually we are writing, we are committing that at the end of the project we will provide this amount of, these are the outcome, these are the thing I will deliver to you, the deliverable. So we should be very confident.
Principal, esteemed resource person, respected colleagues and dear participants. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks at the end of this valuable workshop. I express my sincere gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Maitri Raikanjirai, for her guidance, encouragement, and continuous support in promoting research and academic excellence in our college. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our distinguished resource person, Dr. Moumita Mukherjee, for her insightful and practical session on sponsored and seed grant proposal writing.